If you've ever bought sunglasses for $8 and wondered whether they're actually doing anything for your eyes, you're asking the right question. UV400 is the standard that matters, and it has nothing to do with how dark the lens looks. I went through real listings, real spec sheets, and real buyer reviews to find 10 UV400 sunglasses that are actually cheap, not cheap, with an asterisk. Let's start with the one I'd skip. Number 5 is the Fanshen 3-pack men's Polarized sunglasses. This is a newer listing sold through a seller called Shadecore, and it's earned a genuinely strong early track record. 4.6 stars across 667 ratings, with over 1,000 units bought in the past month alone, at a current price of $9.99, marked down from a $19.99 list price. Every pair in the 3-pack carries polarized UV400 lenses rated to block essentially all UVA and UVB light. And the frames use a lightweight design with soft nose pads and spring hinges, aimed at fishing, golf, cycling, and general daily wear rather than one specific sport. Getting 3 separate pairs for under $10 works out to a little over $3 per pair, genuinely one of the lowest per unit costs on this entire list. And it solves the real problem of always losing or scratching your one good pair by simply giving you backups built in. The honest catch is that a 4.6-star average sitting on 667 ratings, while a good sign, is still a much smaller and newer sample than some of the long-running listings further up this list. So the track record here is real but shorter. If you go through sunglasses fast, lose them at the beach, or just want a spare in the car, the glove box, and your bag all at once, this is hard to beat on pure value. Number 4 is the ZENOTTIC Polarized sunglasses for men, the lightweight TR 90 frame square style. This is where the list turns a corner into pairs with real, substantial buyer feedback behind them. This specific listing sits at 4.3 stars across 18,162 ratings, a serious amount of real-world data for a sub-$20 pair. The frame is built from TR90, described by ZENOTTIC as a Swiss-engineered thermoplastic memory material designed to flex and return to shape rather than crack. And the lens is a TAC polarized lens rated to block 100% of UVA, UVB, and UVC light up to 400 nanometers. Dimensionally, it's a fairly generous square frame, 60 millimeters of lens width and 48 millimeters of lens height. So this leans toward medium to larger faces, rather than a small, narrow fit. ZENOTTIC frames this as an all-rounder, positioning it for driving, fishing, hiking, and daily wear, rather than one specific activity. The one real gap is pricing consistency. Like most sunglasses on Amazon in this category, the exact price on this listing shifts with promotions and isn't something I can state as a fixed number you'll definitely see when you click through. So, confirm the current price before assuming it clears our budget. Spec for spec and review count for review count. This is a legitimately solid, well-proven pair. Number 3 is the Mary's rectangular polarized sports sunglasses, model S8225. Mary's built this specifically for active use. The listing calls out cycling, driving, and fishing by name, and it's earned real trust doing it. 4.4 stars across 8,161 ratings, with third-party sellers listing offers starting from $8.43. That starting price is genuinely one of the lowest confirmed numbers on this entire list, which matters a lot if cheap is your actual priority and not just a nice-to-have. The lens carries full UV400 protection, and the polarization is aimed at cutting glare off water and pavement specifically, which lines up with the sport driving use case Mary's is marketing it for. Where this pair pulls back slightly, compared to some others on this list, is styling. It's a rectangular sport-cut frame, not a fashion-forward retro shape, so it reads more like function-first eyewear than something you'd wear out to dinner. That's a design choice, not a flaw, but it's worth knowing before you buy if you wanted something dressier. With over 8,000 ratings backing it at a price that can dip under $9 depending on the seller, this is a genuinely low-risk, low-cost way to get real UV400 protection if function matters more to you than fashion. Before we get to the final two, here's something worth knowing. The number 1 pick on this list has racked up more individual buyer ratings than every other product in this entire countdown combined, and it's also one of the cheapest things here. That's not a coincidence, and I'll explain exactly why when we get there. Number 2 is the SOJOS Small Round Classic Polarized Sunglasses, model SJ2113, in the black-gray colorway. This is one of the strongest-selling individual listings on this whole list. Amazon's own bestsellers rank puts it at number 337 overall, in clothing, shoes, and jewelry. And number 3, specifically, within women's sunglasses, backed by 4.4 stars across 18,922 ratings. SOJOS builds this with what they call high-definition TAC polarized lenses, and states they block 99.99% of UV rays rather than the flatter 100% language most competitors use, which reads like a more precise, less rounded-up claim. The frame is polycarbonate with solid metal hinges, and the lens dimensions run smaller and rounder than most of the sport-style pairs on this list, 48 millimeters wide and 42 millimeters tall. So this is genuinely built as a small, round fashion frame rather than a wraparound sport shape, and it's marketed toward both men and women rather than one gender specifically. Independent write-ups of this exact model have pegged the going price in the neighborhood of $13 to $14, though as with everything else here, sunglasses pricing on Amazon shifts often enough that you should double-check the number on the page before you check out. If you wanted real vintage styling instead of a sport wraparound look, backed by the reassurance of nearly 19,000 other buyers, this is one of the safest picks on this entire list. Number 1, the strongest overall pick on this list is the SUNGAIT ultra-lightweight rectangular polarized sunglasses. Numerically, this is the single best proven product on this whole countdown. 4.5 stars across more than 53,000 ratings, at a documented sale price of $12.78, marked down from a $22 list price. That review count isn't a typo. It's roughly 3 times the size of the next largest sample on this list, which means the star rating here is about as statistically reliable as a cheap pair of sunglasses gets. SUNGAIT markets the lens as blocking 100% of UVA, UVB, and UVC rays, and the frame is built specifically to be ultra-lightweight, aimed at people who find heavier plastic or metal frames uncomfortable after a few hours of wear. The rectangular shape is a fairly neutral, universal cut, rather than a bold fashion statement, which is part of why it's sold in the volume it has. It's an easy default pick, rather than a niche style choice. If there's a catch, it's simply that, at this sales volume, you'll see color and lens tint variants priced differently than the discounted $12.78 I found. So confirm you're looking at the exact variant and current price before you buy. What puts this at the top of the list isn't flash. It's that every other pair here asks you to trust either a smaller sample of reviews, an unconfirmed price, or a manufacturer's word with less buyer data behind it. And this one simply doesn't ask that of you. So here's how I'd sort all of this by what you actually need. If you want the single safest, most statistically proven pick, regardless of style, the SUNGAIT Ultra Lightweight Rectangular is it. If you want a frame built to physically outlast plastic, look at the Mary's Aluminum S8286. If you want real vintage styling with a track record to match, the SOJOS SJ2113 is the one to check out. And if your only priority is the lowest possible price for genuine UV400 protection, the Mary's S8225 dipping under $9, or the Fanshen 3-pack at roughly $3 a pair, are both hard to beat. What I'd actually avoid is buying purely on spec sheet promises with no review history behind them. Cheap sunglasses are exactly the category where a big, real buyer base tells you more than a manufacturer's product description ever will. If this saved you from buying a pair that looks fine in the listing photo and falls apart in a month, subscribe for more real, review-checked buying guides like this one, and drop a comment telling me which of these you're actually going with. I read every single one.